Hi, good morning, guys. So again, I have come up with a video, and in this video, we will review the stocks for the banks, that is Axis Bank, Bank of Baroda, and Federal Bank, based on the option chain. So we can start with the Axis Bank. So here we can see the maximum OI, which is there based on the option chain, is at 500 levels, and the stock is at 481 levels. So as you can see, 500 levels remains a key where market will find a resistance, and it has a good numbers also, 7,68,000. Second set of resistance is at 460. So there are still people who expect that Axis Bank will not go below 460 and will go below that only. Sorry, will not go above 460. But as we have closed above 480, there are chances that if Axis Bank move up, there will be short covering on 460, on the 460 strike, due to which there will be a rapid rise in the stock. The third set of resistance which is coming is at 480 levels. Now we have crossed and closed above this levels also. So looking at the option chain on the call side, looking at the current resistances, I see that crossing 500 is little bit difficult. However, we have sustained 480 and 460 levels. So that gives a clear indication that stock is in good with good momentum and also on the bullish zone. However, we'll see the supports where the support lies. So here we can see the first support lies at 400. So the maximum Y which stands at 400, that means market does not expect, or the people who are participating in the stock on based on the option chain does not want stock to go below 400. Then the next support which is at 360. So it is already 120 rupees up. So we need to see the price action, how it goes. Another support is at 300 again. So this shows that we have a huge uh, range which is in play right now, and we are near to the resistance zone, not near the buy zone. So if we see here, the crossing above 500 can give a resistance at 520 and 540, and crossing above 540 can easily give 600. But on the support sides, we have immediate support coming at 460, 440, 420, and 400. So we have good supports at every strike price, that is 460, 440, 420, 400 levels. But these supports are a bit far from the current levels. However, at the resistance, we are at resistance of 500, that is this, and we have a resistance of 540 and 600 also. So we have a bigger range to play in Axis Bank. So guys, this stock remains to be volatile as you have seen. And tomorrow I will come up with the analysis of Axis Bank and we'll see how it plays tomorrow. So the key level of, I think still 460 remains a key level, because here you can see 542, here you can see 258. So so the we can see, I can see that 460 levels are more critical. Breaking 460 can give to further fall. However, not breaking 460 will give a good upside also. Now we'll see for the Bank of Baroda, which is closed at 50. So here we can see the maximum OI which lies is at 55 levels. So guys, we have stock closed at 50.20, and the first resistance lies at 55 levels. So the second highest resistance which we are looking for is at 60 levels, and the third resistance which we are looking is at 50 levels. So we are at resistance only, I can say, but crossing above 50 can easily give 52.5 and 55. So I can still see that crossing and closing above 50, I will not convince that we have closed at resistance only 50.2. So crossing and sustaining above 50.5 or say 51 can easily give 55 levels also, and above that it can go to 60 levels also. However, on the support side here we can see immediate support lies at 50. So now many of the stocks we have observed that one level we always found as critical level. So for this stock, 50 is the level where stock can find a support and resistance both. And flying of the bank nifty because of HDFC results can easily bring this stock on the upside to 55 levels also. However, on the support side here, we can see 45 levels also is a good support. So as you can see, the stock has a range of, I can say 45 to 55. However, 50 remains a key level. The third stock which I have analyzed is Federal Bank. So here you can see of a Federal Bank for maximum resistance, which is lying at 50. Current is 46.40. So second resistance which is there as per the OI is 45 levels. We have already crossed and closed above 45 levels. So we need to see the price action. Already 7 lakhs shares are already short covered. So people have already ran for the cover, and this stock gives a here also you can see 42.5 people have the shorts which are there in the system have ran for the cover. So a big short covering rally is expected if it sustained above 45 on Monday. On the support side, I can see we have a good support at 40 levels and we have good support at 45 levels. So again for this stock, 45 level is the key level which I'm looking for. Support at 45, so you can buy at 45 and go for the target of 50. However, at 50 it's a very good resistance, so reaching 50 one can this rally will be paused and the price action to be seen. The next support which is at 40 levels, so crossing below, going below 45 can easily give you 40 levels. So here the range is 40 to 50, we are in 46 levels. So if bank nifty will rally, this stock can rally till 50 levels, and if 45 levels is broken, again we can go to 40 levels also. So this is for Federal Bank. Thank you, thanks for watching. Please do visit the channel, subscribe for more videos, as I am daily going to publish the stocks and index based on the option chain. Thank you.